how to use tags on Instagram in posts, stories, captions, and comments. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags on Instagram in posts, stories, captions, and comments. So all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First of all, what you're going to do is go into your Play Store and make sure that you have updated your Instagram, and if not, just do it because the newer features won't be available on the previous versions of Instagram, just like posting or commenting in the feed. Now what you will do is simply get into your Instagram post. Once you get there, all you need to do is simply create or make a post by going in the create a post icon at the bottom of the screen, the plus icon. Just tap on it once you do so, all you need to do is select a picture that you need to post. Just edit it the way you need to, and once you do that, and here is the option of tag people. So what you would do is simply tag people in it, and once you do that, you can write who this person is. For example, this person is this, I have tagged that person. Now when I'll press or tap on this blue tick, automatically that person would be tagged on the post. So this was how you post someone or tag someone in a post or a feed. Now if you want to tag someone in your caption, so all you will do is write a caption, and after it you'll write an @ and you can simply write the username of that person, and that specific person would be tagged in your caption. So this is how you tag a person in your caption. For a person to be tagged into a story, all you need to do is make a story, go into your story, open up the camera, and there it is. So you need to make a story on somebody, just do it. So hey, this is the story, and now would you do it, tap on the mention, and once you tap on the mention, now you can write anybody here who you want to tag on, and this is how you tag somebody on a story. And lastly, if you want to add somebody or tag somebody in the comments here, so what you don't do is go into the comment section, write down this ad, and try to do this. Write the name of that person in the tag section or the comment section, and hence the person would be tagged automatically. So this is how to use tags on Instagram in posts, stories, captions, and comment. Make sure you guys follow the channel, like it, comment, and share on it. And if you guys have any query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.